Hey everyone, it's Joy from LashJoy Academy. I just wanted to make this video so I can show you which makeup remover I recommend that my clients use with their eyelash extensions. So the makeup remover that I recommend is the Simple brand. I'll just show you the bottle now. It's this one right here. It's quite easy to get online or even at most supermarkets. The large size is about 10 Australian dollars. The smaller size is about 4 Australian dollars. So all you need to do to remove any eyeliner or mascara from your lash line, if you are being naughty and wearing that, is just put 1 or 2 drops on this little lip gloss wand and close your eyes. You can do this in the shower and just rub side to side really lightly. Try and get underneath the lashes as well, and that way you can rinse off the makeup remover residue as well. You may want to repeat the step with the lip gloss wand a few times. That way we can ensure that we remove any buildup of makeup and natural oil. By doing that, you won't be leaving too much food behind for the lash mites to eat and therefore prevent an overpopulation of lash mites or even an eye infection. So make sure you only use eyelash extension approved makeup removers, and that way you won't run the risk of your extensions slipping off the natural lash.